एक्चुअली एयरफोर्स में ट्राई करना था, तो उसके लिए क्या करना चाहिए, और कंफ्यूजन था कि एयरफोर्स करूँ या एनिमेशन या सीएस वगैरह.
But I was not sure like which career might be best for me.
But I was having little bit confusion. There was a small confusion running in my mind. It was in very detailed way, like every point to point, everything it was asking us. So it was interesting, and also we can also get to know like at which point of interest we are having, what is the probably what we want to do, or else where we are lagging. That all things are covered in that test.
In that stoichiometry test, I have known that where I'm like stuck up, and also like stuck up, and also like there are many options in that, and I got to know that what are the next like or other options if I didn't get into medical college and that all.
The report that came, it mostly showed what all my interests were and like what all I actually find interesting, and most of the things that I actually feel I'm not that interested in were like mostly accurate in that report as well.
So it went very well, like very interactive we both were, and the session was quite clear, and mainly not like a session, it was like a friendly interactive.
She cleared all my doubts, and also she gave me some choices.
मुझे अच्छा लगा, मतलब उन्होंने ऐसा समझाया कि सर कि कैसा अगर तुम ये चूज करते हो तो तुम्हें आगे जाके मतलब ऐसा करियर में ज्यादा अपॉर्चुनिटीज है, वो सब पता है.
ये स्टेज पे ना उनको ये मालूम पड़ गया है कि एक्चुअली हमें कॉमन में कैसा कॉमर्स के थ्रू जाते हैं, तो कॉमर्स और जो लिमिटेड कोर्सेज है उसी के बारे में मालूम था. अभी आफ्टर करियर गाइडेंस के बाद so many options are available after the 12th year, after the graduations. So many opportunities in abroad में भी है, इंडिया में भी, जो बहुत सारे कोर्सेज है वो इजीली कर सकते हैं.
It was interactive, and he helped me find out which careers might be most suitable for me.
मैं सब पूछा, मतलब मुझे जिस जगह पे डाउट था तो मैंने सब जगह पूछा कि मतलब इसमें अगर और दूसरा इसकी जगह कुछ और किया तो कैसा होगा. फिर सब उन्होंने बताया कि हाँ ये भी कर सकते हैं.
बात करके तो ऐसा लगा कि उनको बहुत सारा अच्छा बेनिफिट हो गया उसका. उनका जो भी कुछ आगे का जो फ्यूचर के लिए कुछ डिसीजन था उसमें कुछ क्लियरिटी आ गया. बहुत सारे कंफ्यूजन थे, शायद वो भी उसका क्लियर हो गया.
Nowadays only the educational institutions are only taking like this part of programs, but now at very first time I'm listening about this. My father's company is also taking quite interest about their children to get some career guidance and some counseling session. It's very intellectual thing, and it helps a lot for us.
Nice steps taken for youth, growing youth, coming generation, next generation.
A very nice thought to give a counseling sessions for the children like us, and also like they are only not thinking about the facilities of the staffs and all, but they are also thinking about the children of the employees, and also taking care of them about their career. The people who are confused like us will get a nice like clarification and many other choices to get in develop their career.
स्पेशली थैंक्स बोलूंगा क्योंकि ये जो सेशन है ना, इट इज ईच एंड एवरी स्टूडेंट ने उसके बेनिफिट लेना चाहिए. जो पेरेंट्स है ना, उन्होंने अपने बच्चों को गाइडेंस करना चाहिए कि ये कोर्स अटेंड करो. ये कोर्स अटेंड करने पर जो हमारे मन में जो कोर्सेज है उसके एक्स्ट्रा भी कोर्सेज है जो हमारे बच्चों के लिए बेनिफिट हो सकते हैं. उससे मतलब उसमें नॉलेज बढ़ते जाएगा या अपॉर्चुनिटीज के लिए बढ़ता जाएगा, लेकिन बेनिफिट जो 101% है. स्पेशली थैंक्स कहूंगा कंपेयर के अपने इसके लिए.
The fact that I was not planning to do it at such an early stage. I mean, I thought later on towards the end of her 9th or the beginning of her 10th standard, but the fact that I got a chance to do it now, and the fact that it could be repeated in a year's time, just to understand whether the assessment made was actually on the right track or not. So it's a very good initiative, and I'm thankful to Mentoria for actually providing me this platform also.
It's a very good company, and staff welfare is more. So now these type of programs also will help us. They are taking our family also taking care.
केराजा मेरी कंपनी है, मैं पिछले 15 साल से उसमें काम कर रहा हूँ. बहुत अच्छा कंपनी है, और वो कंपनी एम्प्लॉयज के लिए बहुत ऐसा कुछ चीज ऑर्गेनाइज करते हैं, तो अच्छा बेनिफिट होता है. बच्चे को हेल्प हो गया, उसके लिए थैंक्स बोलना चाहता हूँ. ऐसे प्रोग्राम हमेशा रखते रहो जो बच्चे के लिए यूजफुल रहेगा और हमेशा के लिए गाइडेंस करेगा.